all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Ashish Parekh. No technology is unhackable. This is something that every security researcher will tell you. But then, given the fact that we use so many sophisticated software, so many applications, platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, we are delusional. We feel that okay, this technology is unbreakable and we are completely safe over here. But then, that perception has now been broken again by a group of hackers who have carried out one of the most serious security breaches on any social media platform whatsoever. The hack that I'm talking about was carried out on Twitter. Every one of us woke up to this news of various influential celebrities' Twitter account being hacked by hackers who played the very classical double your Bitcoin trick. In case you don't know what it is, various hackers, various people who are trying to do away with money, what they exactly do is they use fake accounts, they imitate the accounts of popular celebrities, and they put out a post called as send us so and so amount, we'll double it and we'll give you back, we're doing it for charity. In this case, they probably were trying to target the COVID-19 situation. So all of these things are done, but most of these, in fact all of these scams are carried out using fake accounts, and anyone who has any idea about cyber security will in fact refrain from clicking on those wallet links and the links that come with all of these posts. But this is for the first time that high profile Twitter accounts were used to send out these kind of tweets, and millions of their followers saw these tweets. Some of them realized that this was a scam, while a few of them did not believe it. They went ahead, deposited their money, and if reports are to be believed, around $118,000 is something that the amount of money that is involved in this entire scam. So why is this significant? Well, this is significant for various reasons. One, of course, multiple high profile Twitter accounts were targeted. Twitter accounts of celebrities like Jeff Bezos, Joe Biden, Elon Musk, Barack Obama, all of these Twitter accounts were targeted. But apart from that, the other reason why this entire scenario assumes importance is because of the fact that, as per security researchers, the Twitter database itself was targeted, which brings serious doubts, which brings serious concerns over Twitter's security. And that also means that Twitter accounts and sensitive information of other users will also be at risk, and these hackers can potentially break into your or mine Twitter account as well, and also do away with all the information or data that we have. So this is an extremely serious scenario. But then Twitter, like any other social media platforms, claims to have absolute security, absolute watertight web that they have formed wherein hackers cannot break into it. So how exactly did this happen? We have with us security researcher Febin John James, who will be explaining to us what exactly did the hackers do, how did they carry out this entire attack. So Febin, what was their modus operandi? How did they carry out this attack despite the fact that Twitter boasts of such tight security?
So now what has happened is that a group of attackers have targeted the support engineer tools which the internal employees uses, and they got into it, right? And once they were able to access it, right, the Twitter employees accounts, right, support accounts, now the difference is that these attackers were smart. They didn't go and attack individual accounts. So if they have to go and attack individual accounts, right, it will take a lot of time to crack these individual accounts and go and tweet from their places, right? But instead what they did was that they went and hacked the support engineers account, so that, or the tools which they were using, so that they can gain access to multiple accounts at once. And once they did that, once they got access to the internal tools of Twitter, they were able to access multiple influential accounts like Barack Obama or Bill Gates, for that matter, right?
Well, absolutely, that is one way that they've carried out this attack. But the other aspect of this is that the hackers clearly knew for a fact that they had a very small window to carry out this scam, and that is why they went ahead, targeted high profile accounts which had millions and millions of followers. So what exactly their thinking might have been, the hackers' thinking might have been, is that even if we have a couple of hours to carry out the scam before we are figured out, so we'll put out these tweets, and at least a fraction of the millions of followers that these people have, these celebrities have, would in fact send us some bitcoins, and that would mean that we make some really quick bucks. And well, they have been successful, because as far as information is concerned, one of the digital wallets had around $118,000, out of which $61,000 were withdrawn. Now, how much money exactly did these hackers make is something that remains unclear, because most of the hackers who carry out these scams, keep some sort of a token amount in their wallets earlier on, because in case you are going ahead and depositing money into an account, and if there is some earlier amount that exists over there, it would seem like a genuine account. So this clearly is a very serious attack, and Twitter also has acknowledged it. In fact, as the hack was still continuing, at the fag end of the hack, Twitter in fact came out, issued a statement that it was aware of the security breach that had happened, and it is carrying out as much investigation as it can and trying to fix it. Meanwhile, Jack Dorsey, the Twitter CEO, also came out and said that it was a very tough day for everyone at Twitter, and their stocks also fell. So all in all, it was a very tough day for Twitter, but more importantly, it was a tough day for everyone who believed that these sort of platforms are completely safe, are 100% foolproof, because these hackers have broken into high profile Twitter accounts, and that means that your account could also be at risk. What exactly does it mean for other accounts, and what is the exact modus operandi of these hackers, and who are they, where did they attack from? All of these details will only be have once Twitter completes its investigation and comes out with an official. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a small scale attack, or do you think there is much more involved in all of this? There is a much larger conspiracy, and there could possibly be an attack on the main server of Twitter as well. Leave behind your comments in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News9. Thanks for watching.